The Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo is a renowned skincare product specifically designed to target acne and blemishes. And in this video, we will dive into the different Effaclar Duo ingredients, guide you on its correct application, and highlight the do's and don'ts for optimal results. Now, this product is specifically formulated to act as a spot treatment, addressing pimples and localized acne breakouts. I know that sometimes it says that it's actually a moisturizer. However, keep in mind that you want to use it as a spot treatment. The biggest factor you need to know is that this product is different depending on where you live. So if you live in the United States, you're going to get the version with benzoyl peroxide as the main ingredient. If you live in Europe or Australia, you will be getting the version with salicylic acid, zinc PCA, and niacinamide. Now, this isn't La Roche-Posay trying to trick you. The product is different because benzoyl peroxide is prescription-only medicine in most countries, while in the United States, it's available over the counter. Both of these formulations have acne-fighting ingredients that will deliver results. So here's how to use this spot treatment correctly in your skincare routine. You want to start by cleansing your skin with a cleanser that is formulated for your skin type and doesn't strip your skin's pH. You can then go in with a toner, completely optional, and then you want to ensure your skin is completely dry. Then you're going to take a tiny amount of the Effaclar Duo on your fingertip and then gently apply it to your pimples or the area. So focus on any areas where you have noticeable blemishes or acne. Wait until the spot treatment has actually absorbed into your skin, then follow with a moisturizer to maintain your skin hydration. La Roche-Posay also offers a range of moisturizers that can complement the treatment, nourishing your skin and keeping it hydrated. If you are using this spot treatment in the daytime, make sure to wear an SPF. Here are some vital do's and don'ts when it comes to using the Effaclar Duo acne spot treatment in your skincare routine. Make sure that you do a patch test before applying it on your face. You want to start slowly and then gauge your skin's reaction. Do apply to dry skin. When it comes to the don'ts, keep in mind that a tiny amount is enough for each pimple, so avoid applying to unaffected skin. Don't overuse the product. Don't mix the Effaclar Duo with vitamin C. You can still use a vitamin C product in the morning and instead use your Effaclar Duo in the evening. And avoid using during pregnancy or breastfeeding without seeking advice from a healthcare professional. If you are experiencing stinging and a lot of redness, first identify if your skin barrier needs some repair first, which is often the case if your face has become damaged as a result of overusing harsh products like exfoliating acids or retinols recently or in the past. So repair your skin barrier before you incorporate this into your skincare routine. The La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo stands out as a specialized spot treatment for pimples, offering targeted action against acne breakouts. By following this guide and incorporating the Duo into your skincare routine, you can effectively manage your pimples and enjoy clearer, healthier skin. If you want to learn more about how to get rid of your acne, then check out this video here next.